So this is area part 1. Sorry I couldn't upload as much, but I uploaded actually 1 hour ago, so I think that's fine. So let's say this is actually gonna be part 3, I'm sorry. This is actually gonna be our last video on areas, which I think is great. Not at all, because we're still gonna have some videos and some explanation to do on 3 dimensionals, but you're gonna see. So what's the area of a rhombus? Here we got our rhombus, and we're gonna calculate the height and the length, right? So how much is this? 1/2 times the length times the height. Oh, beautiful. So for educational purposes, give me the area of this specific rhombus. Let's say the height is 3 and the length, I'm gonna draw like this, length is 5. Tell me this. Oh, this is gonna be equal to, well, you can pause the video if you need more time. I will say it here right now. It is equal to this, which equals to 7.5. So very important, you gotta keep on learning this. Now a very similar one is the other areas of kites. Well, it's the same thing actually. It's 1/2 times the length times the height. Well, for, let's say this is the length and this one is the height. Well, for practice sake, let's do this. Give me the area. Wait, let me do this here. So give me please the area of this kite here. Let's say its length is 10 centimeters long and its height is 3. How much will this equal to? If you need more time, pause the video. Yeah, if you type this into the calculator, but I can do this in my head, this will equal to us 5. If you're asking me how to do this, I cancel this. Yeah, it's complicated. So what's the area now of a trapezium? Let's see. Now let's call the upper side A and the downside B. How much will this equal to? Well, it will equal to A plus B, and this is of course the height, over 2 times the height. So for practice 6, give me the area of this trapezium. I'm trying to do this video as short as possible. So yeah, that's why it's a bit rushed. But yeah. So you can pause the video if you need more time. I'm doing this very fast because I kinda need time. Whatever. Let's say this is equal to 3, this to 10, and the height 5. How much is this equal to? Well, upside is 3 plus downside is 10 divided by 2 times 5. 3 plus 10 divided by 2 times 5 equals to 75. Here's 10, so I'm sorry, let me rewrite it 10 because it's horrible. Okay, here we go. Now, our last known shape or useful shape with all is a parallelogram. Okay, what's that? What's that? Explain to me what was that. Here we go. So let's say our base is B and the height is H. Let's go. What's the area? Well, this is one of the simplest area. It's the base times the height. So here we got it. For educational reasons and for practicing, give me the area of this parallelogram. Let's say its base is 10 and its height is 5. Well, if you need more time, pause the video. I'm not challenging you. But this will be 10 times 5, which equals to 50. 50. I don't know what I did. 50, no, that's separate. And now, that you know all this, we're gonna go to our last shape that you need to know. And you can all be happy now. But I've got a lot of explaining to the oval or ellipse or what you wanna call it. So we wanna figure out where the center is. And then calculate the following. The major axis, so this is like the radius but as big as it gets. The minor axis, the radius but as small as it gets. So let's call this big M and this small m. And the area of this will equal to big M, so the major axis times the minor axis times pi. Yeah, we got a lot of pi in our things. So now that we have, I'm learning how to approximate it because we can't quite get now or the specific answer of one oval and of the circle too. This applies to a circle too. So let's say we want the minor axis of this oval. So the minor and major axis to this one is, let's say, equal to 5 and equal to 3. How much is this equal to? The area. Well, 5, pause the video if you need more time, times 3 times pi. Now, what's with this pi? How can we? Well, this would equal to 15 pi, but this pi is very annoying, right? So, right now, this means that we got to approximate it. It's 3. So this is approximately 3. So let's say pi is equal to 3.145, so on. And the approximation for pi is just gonna be 3. If you want to be even, you just 3.1 is a good approximation, but let's get now for this 3. So now this would be approximately 15 times 3, which equals to 45. Now I think I got covered everything, every shape. Now if you got any ideas, put them in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe, it would really help a lot. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.